Hi guys. Hope you all are doing good. In this video, I want to show you guys how to create Azure Student $100 account. So first of all, you need a fresh IP. You can use RDP for that. So connect your RDP. Then open browser. Then go to incognito mode. Browse Azure Student. Then log in. Using your student mail. For student email, you can use applied Edu Mail or cracked student mail. But I recommend using old mail. Log in using your student mail. Then here, you need to verify your number. I'm using United States paid number. So verify your number. Then here in address, you need to use real address. I'm using Zillow site for that.
I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. There's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
So paste address from site. Then click continue. As you can see, our Azure Student account is approved. You will get $100 credits, which are valid for a whole year. You can use these credits to create virtual machines, etc. As you can see, our account is active. So you need is fresh number. United States I recommend. Also old Edu Mail. Applied or cracked. IP I recommend RDP fresh. So you will probably get Azure.
I know I'm not easy. I drag you out your mind, and there are days I hate you, but baby, you're still mine. And I have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it. Let's take it slow. Who cares?
So that's all for today. Thumbs up for this video. Subscribe for more content. Connect me on Telegram if having any issue. Have a nice day. Peace out.
Let's take it slow.